According to Defense Security Cooperation Agency, the U.S. Department of State has approved Egypt to buy AH-64E Apache attack helicopters and related equipment. In addition to the 10 Apaches, Egypt has requested 134 Hellfire missiles and 24 launchers. 12 modernized target acquisition designation site, pilot night vision sensor. 12 R-57 common missile warning systems. 24 1700 GE-701D engines and an unspecified number of M230, 30mm automatic guns. The request also includes embedded GPS systems, night vision goggles, Doppler radar systems, avionic-related software support, spare parts, technical assistance, and other related equipment and services. The estimated cost is $1.0 billion.